That's how you produce a card in a thin air. As we just saw, this is actually a back bump technique. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to do that trick. So to do the trick, you just need only one card. There is no extra card required to do this trick. So to make this thing happen, you need to close up your hand like that. You have your middle finger and your ring finger. You're going to place the card just like that. And as you can see, there is two bottom corners of the card. You just have to place your index and your pinky like that, okay? Grabbing two corners. And simply, you have to just open your hand like that. This is as simple as that. Now, there are some problems in this trick. Because usually when you do this, as you can see, the corners are poking. As the corners are poking, the spectator can actually see that you're hiding something. So to hide that, you gotta do a motion. So you're gonna shake your hand like that. What it does is, when a spectator is actually watching your hand, the spectator actually can't really focus in this 2 point, okay? Because your hand is moving, his or her eyes can't really see. And when you appear the card, this is also very easy. You just close up your hand like that. Simply take your thumb, grab the card like that, release your index finger, then your pinky finger. And as the card is a little bit bent, you're gonna grab the card like this and just press it. So as you can see, it goes back to the normal position. And in the video right now, as you're watching this video, you can actually reverse this. Like if you just want to reverse this trick, you can just do it in the video, because you can just reverse the clip. But there is actually a way to reverse it with your hand. And how do you do that? It's very simple. Grab the card as natural as it is. Grab the card just like that. You have to bring all these 4 fingers towards your palm like that. As you can see, like that. And just the same technique, just a little bit opposite. So what you have to do is take your index finger and your pinky finger, and again grab that 2 corners of the deck and just open. This is how you vanish the card, okay? So like this, you appear it like that, you vanish it. Appear, vanish. Now this is going to take a little bit of practice. If you do it, it's a very simple trick, and I think you all can do it. If you like the trick, like the video, let me know in the comment section what you want to see next. And yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel. And yeah, later guys.